everyone. Today we are going to separate the liquid. Today is going to be so fascinating.
And we have oil, water, and dishwashing soap.
In the experiment, I learned that if we stir too hard, then there'll be bubbles, and we don't want that in this experiment. And we have to be very careful when we're pouring.
I've learned in this experiment, water, dish soap, and oil, it doesn't mix because the dish soap is thick, and if you put like water too hard, it's going to like mix together. So how to do it is mix slowly, and the oil is always going to like layer with water no matter what.
Today I learned how to separate the dish soap, water, and oil.
The conclusion is the water didn't mix because the dish soap has more density than the oil. So the dish soap, when we poured the dish soap in, it stayed at the bottom, and the oil stayed at the top because it's lighter than the water and the dish soap.
It's also the same thing, but even if you pour less, the dishwashing and water and oil, they both have different reactions. So they don't mix and they separate because it's different.
I learned that if you mix water, oil, dishwashing soap, and coloring liquid in a cup, the colors will not mix. It will separate like this. I think it separates because the dishwashing soap is the heaviest, then the water, then the oil. So the oil goes up, the heaviest.
So, but why do you think it sank?
Sank because it's not about the weight or lightness. It's about the density. And it sinks because it has more dense than the other substances. The oil has the less dense, and then the blue one in the middle is the water.
Why do you think it did not mix?
They did not mix. They did not mix because they were arranged correctly. Second, they were poured carefully. And third, the less dense is in the top. And the substance with the more dense is at the bottom.
Today I learned about density again, which separates the dishwasher, water, and oil. And the oil has less dense, and the dishwasher has the most. That's why the oil is at the top.